In this week's edition of the Business Review, how the COVID-19 pandemic boosted the profits for a small eyebrow cafe. Here's Cody and Barrett.
In the heights of the COVID-19 pandemic, when masks were mandatory, the eyes and eyebrows were the only things left to make a good first impression.
If you have an online interview, an online meeting, your eyes and your brows must be seen. So I need to get these in check. I'm coming to Petrie to get my brows done. So it really took off.
Petrie Gay Elliott, the managing director at the Eyebrow Cafe and Spa, never imagined that her childhood love for beauty would have turned into her career.
I went on to pursue a law degree, but I could just not sit comfortable until I really pursued what I really loved. So I quit my job. I no longer went to doing that law degree, stopped in year 2 and did a 2-year course at the Hart College of Beauty Services.
In 2011, she started with makeup and slowly branched off into other services upon completing Hart. After working as a freelance makeup artist, a few years later, she secured a location and started offering other services.
I went again and did eyebrow threading and eyelash extension. I did a course in them both, and then I started to offer these services.
Eyebrows became the main source of her income in 2021, earning up to 70% of her profits.
I did waxing, threading, I did tints, and over time I picked up the henna brows, which is another big thing. But when you find that this service is not enough, then you want more, and so I went into microblading, microshading, and these services will last you up to 3 years onwards.
Comfortable with the current offerings, the Eyebrow Cafe is only looking to expand its space and offer apprentices an opportunity to get started in the industry.
These days you find that persons are they just want to get what they can get and run, and to start a little shop or to do something on their veranda. But if you can work alongside someone and develop that experience and skill, I'm always happy and open to helping persons.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.